What if I told you that not eating could actually give you more time and even save you money? Sounds wild, right? After nearly 30 years of prolonged fasting, I've discovered two life-changing benefits no one talks about. The final video in my prolonged fasting benefit series is the shortest. It might be the most eye-opening. If you're new to fasting, this could be the unexpected push you need to try it for yourself. Let's dive in. Hi there, I'm Basswood. In this video, I'm going to talk about the last benefits of prolonged fasting. What fasting brings to your life. It's incredible when you think about it, but few people ever see this aspect of it. But in case you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I talk about prolonged fasting, which is anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks, a practice that I have been perfecting for the last 28 years and help you on your fasting journey to successfully prepare for, start, endure, and complete your own 3-week fast. Time is our greatest commodity. We hear this more and more these days, and for good reason. We can always earn more money, but we can't exchange it for more time. Once it's spent, it's gone. So imagine my surprise when I realized I could gain time by fasting. But I'm getting ahead of myself. This is the final and shortest video in my series about benefits of prolonged fasting. And I want to share an angle that few people ever consider. I hadn't either until a colleague told me how much of her day she spent in the kitchen. Now, I was in the middle of my annual prolonged fast at the time, and it just clicked. She was absolutely right. So here are two life benefits of prolonged fasting. Prolonged fasting, life benefit number 1, time. Now, I never expected this, but when you are fasting, it's astonishing how much time you can reclaim. Every time I fast, this hasn't changed for the last 28 years, I suddenly don't know what to do with myself. I'm not hungry. My body simply misses the habit of eating. At one point, I listed everything that goes into a single meal. Grocery shopping, preparing, cooking, eating, and cleaning up. I was shocked. I spent 3 to 4 hours per day on food. Now, during a 3-week fast, this added up to 63, from 63 to 84 hours. That's almost 3 whole days. That was when I was single. Now, as a mother of 2, I have a family to feed. Now, fasting or no, I am putting that dinner on the table for them. I'm just not eating it. Now, I save around 2 hours a day, but not by not eating or cleaning up afterwards. Over 3 weeks, that's just about 42 hours, nearly 2 whole days. And I use that time for walks, gardening, and writing, things I miss during the rest of the year. Before you continue, if you're enjoying this video or curious to learn more about fasting, consider giving it a like or subscribing. It really helps this channel grow, and it means more to me than you can imagine. All right, prolonged fasting life benefit number 2, money. Along with time, I save a surprising amount of money during my 3 to 6 week fast. Our grocery bill is one of our biggest expenses per month, around 500 euros here in Slovenia. And most of that goes to snacks and indulgences. And I'll admit I'm the main culprit. And I admit I'm the main culprit. So when I fast, the bill shrinks drastically. For a few months afterwards, it's lower too, until the old habits kick back in. But even those temporary savings are significant, and they add up over time. Now, for beginners, the greatest benefit of fasting won't be time or money. It will be a new perspective, a new experience, a fresh lens on life, a glimpse of what it could be. So if you do it right, prolonged fasting is just the beginning of something much bigger. I'm still learning and even And I've been doing it for the last 28 years because it's a journey, one that never truly ends. And all it takes is that first step. So that's why I'm here, to encourage you to color outside of the lines, trust your instincts, and discover if these benefits resonate with you. So that's it from me for now. As always, do your research and consult your doctor before starting on your own prolonged fasting journey. And when you're ready, meet me in the comments. We'll have much to talk about. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.